How to delete Google reviews permanently, let's see in this video lesson. If we have added reviews to some content or location, but later found that they are fake and spam, or illegal, off-topic or restricted content, it is always good to not encourage such content or company. We need to first log into the Google account, through which we added Google review. Next, we need to search for Add or Edit Google Reviews in the browser and click this Google review link. And in this page, we need to click Find Your Reviews button, which will take us to Google Maps review page. Here, all the reviews we have given, using this Google account, will be shown on the left-hand side of the page. We need to click the three-dotted More option beside the review and click Delete Review. And done, the Google review will be deleted permanently. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.